Welcome back everyone today.
Glad to be here.
What is today's topic?
Games and health benefits.
Sounds interesting, right?
Very interesting topic.
Why discuss games today?
Many people play games.
Some think games unhealthy.
That belief is common.
So games can help health.
Yes, in many ways.
Let's explain simply.
Sure, let's start easy.
What kind of games?
Video and physical games.
Do video games help?
Yes, when balanced.
How do they help?
They reduce stress.
Stress reduction matters. Why?
Stress affects health.
How games reduce stress?
They relax the mind.
Like taking breaks.
Exactly, short mental breaks.
Can games improve mood?
Yes, mood improves.
Why mood improves?
Fun releases happiness.
Happiness chemicals help.
They support mental health.
What about anxiety?
Games calm anxiety.
How does that work?
Focus shifts attention.
Focus reduces worry.
Yes, less overthinking.
That helps confidence.
Confidence grows slowly.
Can games build confidence?
Yes, through progress.
Progress feels rewarding.
Exactly, small achievements.
Does that help speaking?
Yes, especially language games.
Language games improve English.
They improve listening.
Listening improves understanding.
Yes, native speech exposure.
Games help pronunciation.
Some games do.
How exactly?
Repeating sounds helps.
Repetition builds memory.
Memory strengthens learning.
What about physical health?
Games can help.
Which games help?
Active movement games.
Like sports games.
Yes, or dancing.
Those improve fitness.
They increase movement.
Movement improves circulation.
Exactly, heart health improves.
Any other benefits?
Coordination improves too.
Hand-eye coordination.
Yes, very useful.
Useful for daily life.
Driving, cooking, typing.
Games help reaction speed.
Yes, faster responses.
Reaction speed matters.
Prevents accidents sometimes.
Interesting point.
Many overlook that.
Do games help brain?
Definitely brain training.
What kind of training?
Problem-solving skills.
Can you explain?
Games present challenges.
Challenges require thinking.
Thinking sharpens mind.
That improves focus.
Yes, longer attention.
Focus helps learning.
Learning becomes easier.
Does it help memory?
Yes, memory improves.
Why memory improves?
Recalling game details.
Like maps tasks.
Exactly, constant recall.
Games also social right.
Yes, very social.
How are they social?
Playing with others.
Online or offline?
Both are possible.
Social play helps health.
It reduces loneliness.
Loneliness harms health.
Yes, mental health.
Games help communication.
Players must talk.
Talking builds confidence.
Especially speaking English.
That matches our channel.
Yes, perfect practice.
Games reduce misunderstandings.
Teamwork requires clarity.
Clear speech matters.
Miscommunication causes problems.
Games teach listening.
Yes, listening carefully.
Listening improves conversations.
Everyday conversations too.
Are games addictive?
They can be.
Is that unhealthy?
Balance is key.
How keep balance?
Set time limits.
Short sessions better.
Yes, quality matters.
Games help relaxation.
Relaxation supports sleep.
Better sleep improves health.
Exactly, full recovery.
Do games help creativity?
Yes, imagination grows.
How imagination helps?
Creative thinking improves.
Creativity helps problem solving.
Yes, flexible thinking.
Games help emotional control.
Players manage frustration.
Frustration management useful.
In real life too.
Losing teaches resilience.
Yes, learning patience.
Patience improves relationships.
Very true.
Can kids benefit?
Yes, with guidance.
Guidance from parents.
Yes, important role.
Adults benefit too.
Absolutely, all ages.
Seniors can play.
Yes, brain games.
Brain games help memory.
They delay decline.
That's impressive.
Science supports it.
But keep it simple.
Play responsibly.
Choose healthy games.
Avoid toxic environments.
Positive games matter.
Yes, supportive communities.
Communities improve mood.
Feeling connected helps.
That helps health.
Mind and body.
So games aren't bad.
Not when balanced.
Any final advice?
Enjoy games wisely.
Use games to learn.
Learning should feel fun.
That boosts confidence.
Confidence builds consistency.
Thanks for sharing.
Happy to help.
Hope listeners learned.
I hope so.
Keep practicing English.
And keep playing smart.
See you next time.
Take care, everyone.